Hello, today I would like to have a look at the company Rivetz, and they will have a RvT token, and currently they have a sale which started on the 10th of August, and currently they raised 25,000 F, which is about $750,000. 813 participants. You still can get a 20% bonus until 38 679 F will be raised, then basically the bonus will be 10%. So let's have a look. What is Rivet? Rivet is building a global attestation and identity network powered by the Rivetz Token in order to improve the security on the devices on which we rely. Cybersecurity Ventures anticipates that cybersecurity damages will total more than $6 trillion globally, up from $3 trillion in 2015. So numbers are huge. So let's have a look how it will work. So basically they will have an application on iPad, iPhone, any device, smartphones, and stuff like that. So it will be external application on blockchain thus. As you keep your wallet, for example crypto wallet, information, phone numbers, emails, and everything, lots of important information. You don't want to get hacked, right? And this application will secure everything. However, it won't have any access to your mobile wallet, chat voices, storages like photos, and it will have a cloud authentication. So nowadays it's pretty interesting application, especially in crypto wallet, when so many crypto wallets get hacked. The total token supply is fixed at 200 million RvT tokens, and 70 million will be token sales. Pre-sale was available from 150 F, and public crowd sale started on 10th of August, right? They got Facebook, Slack, and their public team. You can have a look. Steven Sprague is CEO co-founder with Michael Sprague, if I pronounce it correctly. So the team is huge. A couple of advisors, Parity Technologies, their advisors. That's really cool. They're covered in media and press. You can have a look at their interviews. Bitcoin Next Call, the blockchain.com have covered them. The white paper is most likely covered everything in the white paper, but definitely have a look. It's pretty professional white paper with lots of technician words and stuff. But if you like to invest, not financial advisors, I can't advise you to invest. I'm just describing the project which I really like. Thus you can just click here on contribute. It's pretty simple process. Read the rules, next, notification email, type your email, and there will be a deposit with Ethereum because it's a smart token, right? So the idea is pretty simple. Have a look at the project. I really like it, and I'm not sure. Only thing is if they got an escrow, but they're published on the token market, so I think they got an escrow. The white paper is in English, Chinese, and Korean, and the website is Chinese as well. I think lots of investors coming from China, but the project is really interesting in my opinion. And as I mentioned before, you got still 20% bonus. That's the maximum bonus. For 1 F you got 400 RvT tokens, and the final price will be 333 for 1F. So you can get that 20% discount, which is really nice. Only 813 people involved, that's not much. 100, nearly 100 is 10 million tokens. Sorry, that's not nearly 10 million tokens. Yeah, that's correct. Been issued. So don't lose your time. If you like to invest, go ahead until you got 20% bonus. That was enough for today. I might make another review of the project more deeply. If you will, comment it, like, and share. And for now, have a good day, guys. Bye.